And I told him, why did we move here from New York City? He goes, no, it's really nice.
Yeah.
But what I loved was the river.
Yes.
I just fell in love with the river. It was beautiful. It's very peaceful.
Okay.
And when we moved in, I asked him, do we have a place to live? He said, oh, I already have the apartment. I didn't even see it, nothing. We just moved in.
Oh, wow.
Oh, my
Okay.
goodness.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, in 17 years, you've seen that, well, Harrisburg has seen the tremendous growth in terms of restaurants
Yes.
in the downtown. How did that affect your business? Did it bring more people downtown, or what happened?
Yeah, because people come in, downtown, they will come to downtown more often than they used to
Yes,
before because
okay.
they have choice now.
Yeah,
they
they
can go
have.
to different restaurants and the younger generation which is coming in, they're very adventurous in tasting other kind of food. They don't stick to certain kind of food. They're ready to try on other things. So it's good for our restaurant
Yeah,
business
absolutely.
because new people come in and the city, the website they have, that is really helpful because every restaurant is featured in it and what they have done. So that is really helpful.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
You know, we haven't even talked about your cuisine. What are some of the dishes that you actually offer for someone that's never been to Passage to India?
Okay, one of the most popular dishes is chicken tikka masala,
Okay.
which is chicken with bell pepper and onions in a tomato creamy sauce.
Just delicious.
Yeah, I know, that's your favorite.
I know.
I know that. And then we have in the vegetarian dishes, we have something called palak paneer, which is spinach
I like that
with
too.
homemade cheese.
That is wonderful
That is
too.
good.
Yeah,
too.
that is one of the most popular dishes. And in lamb, we have lamb rogan josh, which is lamb with spices, onion ginger gravy. That's very popular. And we have the Indian breads, which are made in the clay oven. The people, even the littlest kid
I
loves
love
it.
it. Yeah.
Wow. Now, is it in India where the cow is sacred that people don't?
Yes, in India, cow is supposed to be sacred. We worship cows, so
Okay.
it's a holy thing. Here I hear all my friends saying, anything happens, holy cow. I tell them, yes, it is holy, so don't even think about anything else.
So you don't eat, meat products that come from a cow, of course, then. I mean, you just...
Off the camera,
Yeah.
I eat everything.
You eat everything.
My favorite dish is filet mignon.
Okay. I wondered about that.
Yeah, and you know what? It's really funny. People ask me, "Do you eat here?" Of course, I eat here. But when we go out, we try to go to an Italian restaurant, a Thai restaurant. You know, my son loves Italian food,
Does he?
so
Okay.
we are out somewhere else.
Do you have time to do that? I mean, are you open how? Are you open
7 days a week.
That's
Are
what I
you
thought.
7 days a week.
Okay.
Yeah, we all put in a lot of hours.
Yes, you do.
Wow.
But it's nice. We meet a lot of people, and
Sure.
it's really pleasure to meet a lot of people. We had Mickey Rooney come in one afternoon.
No.
Yes.
Did you?
Mickey Rooney and his family came in, and I got a call from Lieutenant General Governor at that time. She passed away.
Oh,
With
not.
Tunbridge?
I know you're talking about Catherine.
Catherine, yeah.
Yeah.
She, her office called me. She called me and she said, "I understand you close at 2:30, but can you keep it open?" And I'm like, "Yes, ma'am." And she goes, "Some guests are coming. My guests are coming, so you have to take care of them." I said, "Yes, I will." And it was Mickey Rooney, his wife, his son. They walked in, and I was like really, really surprised to see him. It's like I've seen his movies and
Right.
shows and all that,
That is
and
amazing.
seeing him, he's still funny like that. He was shooting for something at the Harrisburg Mall, so he loves Indian food, I believe, and he used to go to the restaurant where my husband used to work in New York City, and we have an autograph from him from that time.
Okay.
So it was really, really good.
That's great.
That's
That's great
something.
stuff. Man.
That's
That's one of the
Amazing.
moments I'll never forget
Yeah,
because he
right.
walked in and I looked at him. I said, "That's Mickey Rooney."
Yeah. So you open 7 days a week now.
Yes.
You do a lunch and a dinner, obviously.
Yeah, we are open from like weekdays 11:30 to 2:30,
Okay.
weekends 12 to 2:30 for lunch, and dinner is 5 to 9 Monday through Saturday,
Yeah.
and Sunday it's 5 to 10 Monday through Saturday and 5 to 9 on Sunday.
5 to 9 on
I notice a
Sunday.
lot of restaurants don't mess with breakfast. They don't offer breakfast. Is there a reason why? Is it just too difficult, or you just
I don't think so. It's just that weekends people don't get up that early.
think so? Okay.
And
All right.
most of the people, they go to either church or temple early morning, and that's why we open for brunch. So
Right.
from the church or temple,
Oh,
you can
people
come
come
to
in.
the restaurant.
Sure. Yeah. Okay.
Right in the beginning, we were the only ones who used to open on Sunday.
Oh, were you?
Yes.
I was
But now, like
surprised.
most of the restaurant, they keep it open on Sunday for brunch.
You know, one of the other events I attended, I wasn't able to make this past year, but India Day.
Yes, August
Okay.
15th.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I know I was there last year.
Mm-hmm.
That was fantastic. And just to hear about the history
Yes.
of all of that in regard to the transition and those
Yeah.
folks. Yeah, you were there.
Yeah, that was a
Yeah.
wonderful
Yeah, it is.
program.
It's really amazing how
Mm-hmm.
I just visited India a couple of weeks back, and when I was a little kid, it was different there, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And now you go there, it's like any other country, like skyscrapers, and it's because that internet has really, the computer thing has really taken over, and it's really nice. It's growing so fast.
Right.
I noticed even in the music it seemed to change and the way
Yes.
the kids dance and everything. you know.
Everything. It's like that's what I said. Indian music. Other day I was listening to some music. It had rap in it.
Yes.
And I asked my son, "Is that Indian music?" He says, "Mom, this is one of the latest songs. It had rap in it,
The
and some
rap
of them it's influenced by the pop music. You know,
Yeah.
it's a Western thing has influenced us a lot.
Yeah, sure. And of course, the great success of the movie. What was the movie that came out?
A Slumdog Millionaire.
Slumdog Millionaire.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. Yeah. And that just really kind of brought the whole Indian culture.
Yes. Before
to
that,
life.
Bend
Yeah.
It Like Beckham.
Yes, that's right.
That was the one which made a
the soccer ball.
soccer
Yes,
thing.
that's right.
Yeah.
I remember that.
I
Yeah.
forgot about Bend It Like Beckham. Yes, indeed.
And before that, it was Monsoon Wedding.
Yeah, and even
So the-
Denzel Washington had a movie where he played opposite of his love interest was a young lady from India whose family had moved to Africa also, and they had the whole cross-cultural.
Oh,
The
okay.
father, yeah, it was really well done too.
Oh,
More
okay.
low-key movie, but well done. Yeah. So I remember that. You know.
Yeah, there are a lot of movies now which are like, it's really it's a good feeling you get when
Yeah.
you hear about all these things. You know, like the movie becoming very successful,
That's
winning
right.
an Oscar, and
Yes.
all these things happening. It's really feel proud.
One thing about Slumdog Millionaire, though, I did bring up this, that there is, you know, of course, around the world, great poverty everywhere and everything. And India, I guess, is no exception, too. You have that, you know, dire poverty and tremendous wealth
Yes,
as well.
it is there, but the government has changed. You know, it is this way. There were slums in Mumbai, in Delhi. They used New Delhi. They have it. The government actually cleaned up the whole place, built apartments for these people, gave it to them. But what they do is they turn around, sell that property to somebody else, make some money, and then they again go into the slums. So the government tries to help them. It's not that government doesn't try.
Yeah.
It helps them. But then if people start doing it, there is no control over it.
Oh, my
Nobody can do
goodness.
anything
Really?
about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are
Amazing.
slums. It's you go everywhere. It is there.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah.
But they'll turn around and sell the apartment.
Yeah,
and
they
go
sell
back
it and then they go and live back in the area. So that property becomes theirs. Their way of thinking is, oh, if I built a little shack there, that property becomes mine. I can sell it. I'll make more money and then go and build another shack somewhere else.
Wow,
Mm-hmm.
unbelievable. You know, we're quickly running out of time. I could talk to you for a
I
long
know.
time.
That's
It
all
was
right. But it
fascinating.
was a pleasure.
Yeah, tell us one more time where you're located. Passage of India, that wonderful restaurant.
Yeah, we are on 525 South Front Street in Harrisburg in Shipoke,
Okay.
right on the river.
All right, fantastic. And folks, it's a great restaurant if you've never been there. I know Pat and I have, Pat more than I have.
Yes, I've
and
been.
it's a wonderful place and just wonderful people too, by the way. Thank you so much for
Thank
coming
you.
on. And,
Thank you.
And best to Vishnu and hope that he is, you know, feeling
Yes,
well.
I will. Thank
and
you.
Everything. And whatever you do, you know, let's support our own community by supporting the institutions and the people in the, who built those institutions in our community so that we have a better community. I guess that's what it's all about, right? Hey, look, whatever you do, continue to watch this program as well. We're called Life Esteem. We come on Channel 21 every Sunday morning. I want to thank Channel 21, WHP TV, and broadcast again on Channel 20, WHBG, and we want to thank them as well. It's just been a real blessing to be a part of both of these, you know, great institutions. Thank you for supporting us. Support Passage in India. See you next time on Life Esteem. Goodbye.